Hello there. We know that Favicon is displayed in the browser tab and is a shortcut on mobile devices, but most importantly for us in today's tutorial that Favicon also displaying in the search results. And we are going to talk about how to set the Favicon in the Joomla website builder Gridbox. In Gridbox, you don't need to create a Favicon for each device. All you need is just to upload a square image with size 512 by 512 pixels in PNG format. Gridbox will automatically generate favicons for all necessary sizes. Your favicon will be compatible and appear everywhere, from iOS devices to Google search results. Once you've prepared the image, it's time to set a favicon. From the toolbar, select Site Settings, Favicon. Now upload your image file. And select it. Close Site Settings and save the page. That's all. Okay, you have successfully uploaded the favicon. Now you need to clear your browser and website caches. This is important. And wait for search engines to re-index your site, after which your new icon will appear in search results. See ya.